Our next story is for the users of WhatsApp, especially those who are in India, those who are on the fence about accepting its new privacy policy. Yes, I'm talking about that notification, the one that you must accept if you want to continue using WhatsApp. Otherwise, you'll have to eventually delete the app. Today, the government of India gave a final warning to WhatsApp. Reports say India's Ministry for Information Technology has sent a letter to the company. It says that WhatsApp must withdraw the new policy. The company has been given 7 days to respond, else the government of India says it will consider, and I'm quoting, various options available to it under the Indian law. WhatsApp, has been under pressure. Earlier this month, WhatsApp relaxed its May 15 deadline to accept the new terms. And before that, the company also said that those who do not accept will lose functionality, which basically means if you do not press the accept button, you will not be able to use WhatsApp in future. Now, WhatsApp has tweaked its FAQs, frequently asked questions. It has given more time to users to accept the new rules. The latest version says, and I'm quoting again, no one will have their accounts deleted or lose functionality of WhatsApp on the 15th of May because of this update. So why is WhatsApp softening its approach? Because around the world, there's been a massive pushback against WhatsApp's privacy policy, the new policy. At least 11 countries have asked Facebook, which is the company that owns WhatsApp, to stop the data sharing policy. These countries are Germany, Ireland, the United Kingdom, Brazil, United States, South Africa, Argentina, the UAE, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. And that's the bone of contention. The relationship between Facebook and WhatsApp, that's where the problem lies. The kind of data that Facebook can take from WhatsApp. The new privacy policy dictates the rules on how users will interact with businesses on WhatsApp. And WhatsApp maintains that all personal conversations will remain private. So they'll not be able to read what you're sending someone else. But in an earlier post on its website, WhatsApp had shared details about the kind of data that they can share with Facebook. What will they share with Facebook? Your name, your phone number, information about your phone, the make and model and the company that made the phone, your IP address, and this is a problem, any payments and financial transactions that you have made over WhatsApp. And by the way, these rules do not apply in Europe and the UK. That's because these countries have specific laws against this kind of data sharing. Now, increasingly, this data sharing is becoming worrying for governments around the world. In America, critics of Facebook are calling it a monopoly. Lawmakers argue that this company has become too big and too powerful and it should be broken up, Facebook. India is conducting an investigation of its own. Earlier this year, the Competition Commission of India launched a probe into WhatsApp and they specifically talked about the privacy policy. The Indian competition watchdog said WhatsApp's take it or leave it policy merits a detailed investigation. And WhatsApp challenged this probe in the Delhi High Court. The judge refused to quash the investigation, which means that WhatsApp and Facebook will face challenging times ahead. The privacy policy is just the beginning of the scrutiny. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.